Hi, welcome to our professional development support site. So you should right now be looking at the welcome page where this video is. And as you can see, there's multiple different tabs. There's the home page, the support staff where you'll find people who can help you if you're having issues with the content or courses. The goals page is where you're going to find the total outcome of our district technology plan. The standards and frameworks are where you can find what different standards are aligned with the courses and the sample 5-day workshop. The next part is the content, which are going to be the different courses broken down into the 3 different levels. And then you can also see the 5-day workshop. So this is going to be one of the courses that are listed in the content, and it's going to be broken down into 5 different days. And then here are all of your support resources, so anything that you might need for support, technology information. So that's going to be our site. Thanks for visiting.